And a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Tokyo-listed Metaplanet has announced a debt sale to boost its Bitcoin stash following the lead of US-listed business intelligence firm MicroStrategy. On Monday, Metaplanet announced on X that it is issuing one-year ordinary bonds with a guarantee totaling $11.3 million for an annual interest rate of 0.36%. The funds raised will be used entirely to snap up BTC. Metaplanet started buying BTC in April this year as a hedge against Japan's debt issues and volatility in the yen. Since then, it has accumulated 1,018 BTC worth $92.33 million, according to data source Bitcoin Treasuries. As stablecoins gain traction, Netherlands-based fintech firm Quantos aims to take a slice of the European market. The company will issue the regulatory compliant stablecoins pegged to the euro and US dollar on the Ethereum blockchain. The tokens are fully backed by fiat reserves and highly liquid financial instruments like government bonds, the firm said on Monday. The firm has obtained the electronic money institution license from the Dutch central bank, a necessary requirement for stablecoin issuers to operate in the European Union. Quantos has secured investments from venture capital firm Fabric Ventures, crypto exchange Kraken, and stablecoin behemoth Tether, though it didn't disclose the size of the fundraising round. EURQ and USDQ will first be listed on Bitfinex and Kraken and available for trading to eligible users starting Thursday. Solana-based decentralized finance applications notched record fees and revenue activity in the last 24 hours amid an apparent return of meme coin mania. According to a November 18th X post from decentralized finance commentator Patrick Scott, who cited DeFi Llama data, 5 of the top 10 protocols by fees in the last 24 hours were on Solana. Solana-based automatic market maker Radium notched a record $11.3 million in fees on November 17th, while liquid staking protocol Jito saw its third highest day of fees at $9.87 million on the same day as per DeFi Llama data. Decentralized finance firm Thala Labs recovered $25.5 million of liquidity pool tokens stolen from one of its farming contracts after the hacker was tracked down by law enforcement and crypto sleuths. In a post on November 16, Thala revealed it had suffered a security breach on November 15 due to an isolated vulnerability related to its V1 farming contracts, which allowed the hacker to withdraw liquidity tokens. Thala said it immediately paused all relevant contracts and froze $11.5 million worth of Thala-related assets and was able to identify the hacker. Crypto.com has acquired Fintech Securities, an Australian brokerage regulated by ASIC, to expand its presence in Australia. The deal gives Crypto.com access to Fintech's Australian financial services license, enabling it to offer a range of financial products, including derivatives and securities, to local users. This acquisition reflects a broader trend in the crypto industry of companies bypassing the lengthy licensing process through mergers and acquisitions. Despite limited crypto regulations in Australia, Crypto.com is working closely with regulators to navigate the evolving landscape. Delhi police arrested SK Masood Alam for his role in a cyber attack on cryptocurrency exchange WazirX, resulting in a loss of 2,000 crore rupees. Alam created a fake account that was sold to another individual who used it to breach WazirX's wallets. The attack targeted both hot and cold wallets with no evidence of unauthorized system access. WazirX cooperated with the investigation, providing KYC details and transactional logs. The attack led to a 45% loss of their holdings. Liminal Custody, the firm responsible for securing WazirX's wallets, clarified its cooperation with authorities and continued compliance with legal data sharing frameworks. Bhutan recently sold 367 Bitcoin for about $33.5 million following a previous sale of nearly $100 million. The country, with 12,206 BTC worth $1.11 billion, is one of the largest government Bitcoin holders. Bhutan mines Bitcoin using green hydropower and plans to expand its mining capacity to 600 megawatts by 2025 in partnership with Bitdeer. Despite a significant decline in reserves, Bhutan continues investing heavily in crypto mining, with $539 million spent on mining infrastructure as part of its strategy to diversify the economy and boost digital transformation. The Russian government has approved draft amendments to the taxation bill for digital currencies. Under the new rules, digital currency will be treated as property for tax purposes. Income from mining will be taxed based on its market value, with allowable deductions for mining-related expenses. Transactions involving digital currencies will be exempt from value-added tax, and income from crypto transactions will be taxed similarly to securities, with a maximum personal income tax rate of 15%. Mining infrastructure operators will be required to report information about miners to tax authorities. The changes aim to balance business interests with state goals. Spot Bitcoin ETFs are increasingly shaping the crypto market, now holding 5.33% of the total mined Bitcoin supply, up from 3.15% in January. This rise reflects a growing demand for physically backed Bitcoin ETFs, with a significant correlation between ETF accumulation and Bitcoin price increases. For example, Bitcoin's price surged to a record high in March and November, coinciding with large ETF inflows. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust leads the market with over $40 billion in assets and substantial inflows. The adoption of Bitcoin ETFs is driven by supportive regulatory changes such as approvals from the SEC and CFTC and growing institutional interest. This regulatory backing has enhanced trust in the market, driving capital into Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock has secured a commercial license in Abu Dhabi, focusing initially on expanding its private markets and artificial intelligence infrastructure. This aligns with the UAE's broader investment strategy to become a global leader in AI, with other major companies like Microsoft also investing heavily in the region's AI sector. While BlackRock's current focus does not include digital assets, its entry into the UAE's crypto-friendly market has raised speculation about future involvement in cryptocurrency initiatives. That's all in this bulletin for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information stories, log on to our website www.3.tv.io or scan the QR code.